Dr. Dex here, another week without Studio Man. So I'm here to give you a build update on what we're doing on our current deck building project. If you guys want to catch a daily update, you can go to our Instagram page as well, but we built out and glued and screwed these joists to the existing LVLs that were in the deck. They projected out 6 feet. We came out about 8'4" at the peak, and then slowly taper back to where we're cutting the LVLs away in this section here. So with the screws and the liquid nails and everything else, we used a Fasten Master headlock, a 2 7/8 inch headlock. I'm gonna climb up there and show you guys this stuff, but you can kind of see the headlocks right there, okay? So those coupled with the glue made a really nice extension so we could create the exact same curve from this deck up here, just back more, okay? So we got all that done. We got all of our surface blocking just about finished for that. Let's go up the ladder and check that out. And then I'll show you guys the other side of the deck as well. Remember, when you guys climb ladders, always have 3 points of contact when you're climbing a ladder, which means you gotta have 2 feet and 1 hand touching, or 2 hands and 1 foot touching the ladder at all times. That's really important for safety reasons, okay? So there's the frame. You can kind of see the surface blocking, and then we've also moved on to some blocking for the crystal rail, for Regal Ideas crystal rail. You can see right here and here. I have about half of that done, and I'll come in Monday and finish that up. The only kind of issue, oh, check it out. Got somebody surfing over here. Yeah, doing all right. This is the Puget Sound. Very beautiful place we live. Okay, the scaffold, I'm not really comfortable past this point at the edge of the deck. You're 24 feet from the top of this deck here to the ground, okay? So it's a little bit sketchy. So I'm trying to figure out a way to get out here and cut this over here, right? Because basically I'm hanging off of here. So I think what I'm gonna do is move the scaffolding flat up against the house and kind of pin 2 of the feet here so they can't fall off the deck. And then I can get up on these planks and kind of finish off my details on the corner. Okay, so that's that. So this deck is almost ready for its bladder. On this deck, we're going to run the bladder from the outside of the deck to the inside of the house and then drop into a gutter so the gutters can come over and tie in right here into this downspout that drains down and goes all the way to the bay. That's what happened over here. So I've been kind of working solo on that section for the last couple days because the guys have been over here on this other side doing the demo on this side of the house, and everything is having to be stripped. So we've had to strip all the posts, strip all the soffit, even up on the top, and we're stripping all the fascia, and then we're stripping all the tile off the decks, and we still have to strip the plywood and the joists. So that'll happen next week. And once we have that torn down, then we'll figure out how we're going to rebuild. We're gonna be coming out with a curve on the fronts of these 2 decks as well to match these. They're not gonna be exactly the same radius, but it's gonna be nice. Then we'll start laying decking down over here. We also got all the decking placed and staged for these 2 decks right around the corner over here. So all that's ready to go as well. Not a bad week, fairly productive. We're getting there. Again, really tall, so it's time consuming, but we're getting there. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you like this video or you just want to stay current with what we're doing. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video. Talk to you soon.